Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on ACT math calculator use. So this question goes like this: Can calculator tricks improve my ACT math score? Well, guys, answer this question. The answer is absolutely yes. Capital letter yes. Okay, they can help you solve problems faster, minimize calculation errors, and leave more time for challenging questions. Very, very important, guys. Okay, so as a matter of fact, this is one of the reasons this channel exists. It's all about recording videos on AP, SAT, ACT, GCSE, and A-level videos. So when you come here, come to my playlist section. Under my playlist, it locates where I have ACT maths calculator use videos, which is this one I want to show you now. This particular one I'm pointing out, it says easy steps to a 36 in ACT maths. So watch this video. I have about 51 of them. Go take your time, guys. Go through this video. There are about 2 to 3 minutes videos each. Watch all, and you'll be fine. Okay, just ensure you go through this playlist, guys. You'll be fine. I can guarantee you this. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video.